In this video, I'll be showing you that how you can easily fix nicknames not showing on Instagram, even if you're on an iPhone or an Android as well. Guys, first of all, open up Instagram app on your phone. Now if you go to the chats and open any random chat and tap on the name of the top of the screen, you would be able to find an option of nicknames. Now it's a new feature, and if you are not able to find it, you can simply go back, open App Store, and after opening it you would have to search for Instagram, then search for it, and you would have to tap on Instagram, and if it says update you can simply tap on update. But if it still doesn't work, you can simply go to settings, and after that go to general, then tap on iPhone storage, then look for Instagram right here, like, then tap on Instagram, then simply tap on offload app, then offload it and reinstall it. Basically it will help you clear all the temporary files and cache files, and it will help you to clear all the bugs and glitches inside the app, and you would be able to get this new feature. So if this video helped you out, hit that subscribe button, it really supports the channel. Like the video and comment down below if you got stuck anywhere. I'll definitely help you out.